Hi, my name is Terrence with Marathon Auto Detailing here in Bakersfield, California. Today we're going to be introducing our new Laser Wash 360 that we got going on. It's a touchless car wash system that we just installed into our location to give customers that only have about 15-20 minutes to get a wash done. So we also give you that option too, not just full detail services or full automotive services. So we got trying to be the one-stop shop around here. If you want a car wash or a detail, you can go to our website, marathonautodetailing.net, or you can DM us, call us, text us, email us. We have social media. We got TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. We everywhere, baby. We are open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day, Monday through Saturday.